Coding Dojo is a programming school that turns beginners into developers in only 14 weeks. If you're serious about landing a career in tech but lack the formal education or background, Coding Dojo will get you there in no time. With over 3,000 graduates to date, over 90% of their grads land jobs within 3 months of graduating, often making over $70K per year at tech firms of all sizes, from companies like Google to local startups. To learn more, visit codingdojo.com or click the link in the description below. Hey, what's up? John Sonmez here from simpleprogrammer.com. So I'm going to take my Pluralsight IQ test today. This is kind of a new thing that Pluralsight's been doing. I thought I would try this out myself. If you want to try it out, go to simpleprogrammer.com/skill-IQ, and you can take it with the other simple programmers here. But yeah, I'm not sure what to expect here, but so I thought I would just do this and let's just see what happens here. Let's see how dumb I am. So simpleprogrammer.com/skill-IQ if you want to take it along with me and put your results. Maybe they'll be better than mine. Probably they'll be better than mine. We'll see. I haven't written code in a long time. Well, I don't even know what this is, actually. We're going to find out. Okay. Oh, it's a skill IQ assessment. So I'm going to put in John at simpleprogrammer.com. First name John. Okay. Programmer. We'll see. And I am in the US of A. Oh, it's a United States. Right. I agree to the terms. Let's get my Pluralsight IQ. Okay. Get your skills IQ in your areas of interest. Let's see here. I am going to have to check C# in this case, because you could do this for any of these. So you could do Java. If I was really going to be taking some risk, I'd do JavaScript. That'd be embarrassing, wouldn't it? Or something like Node.js. There we go. That'd be Java. I should do Java maybe, but I'm gonna do C#. Well, should I do Java? Now let's just do C# since that's still my favorite programming language. I'm afraid to do this. I think that this is gonna be bad. Let's see. Okay, so are you a novice or an expert? Find out in about 20 questions. What to know before you begin. Questions are timed. Okay. Let's see. One free do-over. Not happy with how you did. Retake it. The lower score will be tossed out. Okay, let's go find out. How much wood could a woodchuck chuck? Oh, this must be a sample question. Okay, so yes, let's do this. All right, which of these shows the correct way to declare an extension method? Well, you don't use the word extension. You just make it like a static. And then I think this is just like static, and then it takes in this. That's it. That's all. I'm going to call it that one. All right. I don't know. Did it tell me I'm right or wrong? I don't know. All right. Which sequence of characters indicates that the start of an XML documentation comment in C#? It would be the triple. Oh, I did. I answered it correctly. See, it's green. So it'll give me a harder question next. No, don't do that. Give me easier questions, not harder ones. Don't. Okay. All right. Consider the following. Order, new order equals new order. Part ID equals, okay. What must the order class contain for this code to compile? Well, it's got to have a getter. It has to have a public property part ID, right? So let's see. Does it have to have a default constructor and attribute? No, it doesn't have to have a default constructor. It just needs an attribute that takes a string parameter called part ID. Or either a constructor that takes a string parameter or a default constructor and a writable string property called part ID. Yeah. No! Default constructor and a writable string property called part ID? I thought they changed this in the newer version where you didn't need that, where you could just, I don't know. It's just like, all right, fine. I'm wrong. It'll give me an easier question next. I thought it was this one though. Okay, let me see what the difference is. Either a constructor that takes a string parameter, or this is and or a writable string property. I didn't know you need the default constructor. I swear that they made it so it works more like a struct, but okay. There we go. Which code snippet shows the correct syntax for overloading the double equal operator on a type called matrix? Which code snippet shows the correct syntax for overloading the equal operator on it? Okay, so left-hand side, right-hand side. The equal operator has to take the left and the right. Yeah, okay. What's the difference between this one? Okay, one is public static bool. One says operator. Oh, that's interesting. I don't remember I haven't done this very often. Did I use operator? I think you do use the word operator. I think you do. Otherwise, the syntax is going to be really weird with the equals. Yes. Yes, I get to go to a harder question. That's my prize. Okay, what is the output of the following code? Really? Come on. Console right line, question mark, question, 3 question marks, equals, question, question, ternary operator. Okay, so it's basically going to be whether or not this is equal. So does the string question, if it's null or empty, then it'd be triple question, equal this. Let's see. Oh, I ran out of time. Damn it. I would have gotten that. Maybe not. Shoot. All right. Well, I get an easier question. 18 questions remaining. Man, this is going to be long. Okay. The I collection interface defines a property called count, which has a signature count get. Which is these are the correct way for a class to implement this property explicitly. Okay. Now I'm worried about time. A property called count, which has a signature. Okay. To implement it explicitly, if we just say public I collection count, this should be. Do we need explicit keyword? I think it's this one. I'm. No. Oh, you don't need the explicit keyword. Oh yeah, because you just have the count. Okay, all right. I should have known that one. It's been a while. All right, easier question. On the whole, which types can you inherit from? Any structure class that's not marked as sealed. Yeah, okay. Any type except for the C# built-in types. No, there's got to be any class that's not marked as sealed. Any class. No, you could do a struct or class. It has to be this one. What? You can't inherit from a struct? Is that true? I guess that's true. Yeah, that's true. Okay. What? All right. What would you expect the variable copy to contain after executing the following code? Okay. So, string greeting equals hello world. Okay. String copy equals greeting. So copy should now be a reference to this hello world string, or points to memory location. First, make copy. A reference to points this. It's not going to be the same memory location. Although when you change it, this should be it. What? Same memory location. Oh yeah. That's what I said before. But and then when you make a modification, then it. Oh no. I see. This is copy. Yeah. Okay. Oh man, this is pathetic. I used to be good at this. Look how rusty you can get in like 5 years of not writing code. All right. So are the types of surnames 1 and surnames 2 the same? This is an array with 2. This is an array of arrays. So this is like a multi-dimensional array, and this is a multi-dimensional array. Okay. Oh, see, number 1 is a reference to an array of arrays. Reference to an array whose elements are arrays. It should be no. It should be this one. Yeah. See? Still got it. I know what a jagged array is, bitches. That's right. All right. Yeah. All right. If R is an array of int, how can you obtain the number of elements in R? Okay. If it's an array of ints, then I think you should just be able to do. Oh, I see. This is. It can't be. It's not count. Or wait a minute. I get this confused now. If I had an actual list, then I would do dot count because that'd be a property of it. So I have to do length. What? Ah, seriously? All right, ran out of time. I was probably going to select this one instead of dot length. No, I would have done dot length. Maybe. I don't know. Who knows? Okay. Easier question, though. See. Look at this method declaration. Private unsafe string get. Come on. Unsafe? What are we doing here? What is the effect of the unsafe keyword? All right. It permits use of pointers or other constructs of micro. That's true. Not that one. Permits the method to be invoked without checking string. No. Okay. It's this one. Yes. Okay. How can a method indicate that an argument is to be passed in by reference? Using the ref out or params keyword. Ref or out. Yeah, look at that. Time for some harder questions. Why won't this code compile? Well, because you don't have a compiler. Int public. Okay, so you've got a class. You've got a public getter and setter. But look at that. That's h. Oh, okay, that's okay. Public void set h int h. This h. That looks okay. It's supposed to be more than one letter long. Nah. That the compiler generates. That's the yep. Yes. All right. How do you declare a generic method that takes one parameter, which must be a value type? Generic method takes one parameter, which should be a value type. Okay, so it should be generic. Oh, because it's a struct. So we can't use struct there. It's going to be test t where type equals struct. Yeah, this is it. Yeah. All right. So you guys are losing faith in me. You're like, damn, John doesn't know shit. But now I'm getting them right. This is probably going to be still pathetic performance. All right. The following delegate is defined as public delegate double calculate double value. Which answer gives a syntactically correct and more succinct way of writing the following code? Okay. So this has been a while here. Okay. So we can use calculate is equal to this. Okay. So calculate should be equal to x such that return x. It looks like this one. Oh, I don't think we need the return, right? Okay, this is x double. Oh man, I want to say it's this one, but don't have to declare the types. I better pick something quick. Yes. All right. That was close. I almost didn't deserve that one. All right. You've written a person class with the get name method, but because of coding error, get name always throws an exception. In the following code, the first exception will be thrown when the execution hits which line? So, get name method, but because of a coding error. Okay. Which line? Okay, so get name. Okay, so from a person in person product select person dot get name. Okay, so it's not going to do it until. Oh, if you do names to array, that should do it. Yep. Ha! Suckers. That's it. I'm feeling pretty good about myself now. All right. Consider this implementation of an enumerator, especially considering I haven't done C# for a long time. All right. So we've got this implementation. It's going to yield hello world and then exclamation, and then it'll hit the finally block. Okay. So if this is enumerator, at what point will the message in finally block be written to the console? Well, finally should happen every time. Yeah, because this isn't a try. Yeah. finally has to happen every time. Oh no, but it stays in here. It's like it's a pause, so it'll just be once after the enumeration is complete. Ha! It's like a pause. Yeah, yeah. I'm on a roll. All right. They're giving me harder questions. You have written two classes called error log and error log serializer. Error log serializer needs to be able to see private fields in error log in order to work correctly. How can you achieve this? Okay, I know how to do this. Okay, so declare as a nested class. In error logs here, declare as a friend class. As a nested class. Error log and error log. Error log section needs to see private fields in error log. Okay, so if you make it a nested class, that should work. And it'd be able to see the parent class. So error log serializer, yes. Ha! Man, look at that. What is my IQ? Oh, I'm not an expert, but I'm proficient. I guess I'll take that. I think I could have done better on that. I mean, in my good days, I would have been definitely in the expert zone here, but that's not bad. I'll take that as like for not writing C# code in like 5 years to be at a 193, 77th percentile. That's not too bad. I guess one more question right would have probably gotten me into the other one. So, oh, and this is cool. Let me see here. Okay, so I like this. It goes on my profile here. Did better than 76. Okay, so you could retake it, one-time retake. I won't bore you guys with the one-time retake, although I'm tempted to. That was kind of fun. Let me see. So I can go to the C# path, or I can review my questions. Let's review the questions. Okay. Oh, skill measure. Our questions are rated from 1 easiest to 300 hardest. We start each person at 150. As you answer each question, your skill IQ goes up or down. Oh, that's kind of cool. Okay, so let's go. So this is cool. So this tells you. Oh, and see, look how many I got right there. Oh, that's interesting. Look at this band, right? So this is the band, and then it kind of figures out where you're at and starts to adjust the question. So it started giving me harder questions. Screwing up early hurt me badly because that would have it put me down that downward trajectory, but it kind of makes sense. Okay, so I had that one right, and then I had that one right, and then here's where I started to screw up. Oh yeah, because I didn't. Yeah, yep. Okay, so but this is cool because now I can remember that you have to have the default constructor in order to do this. I thought that the new version of C# didn't require the default constructor though, but maybe I'm wrong. Okay, so then this one was right. Okay. And then this one, I ran out of time, but I probably would have figured this one out. Because this was basically like, oh, it was either going to write. Yeah. No, I don't know. I don't understand. Okay. This equal is what's throwing me off. Because this is a null coalescing operator, and this is a ternary operator. So how would that have worked? Okay. I don't want to waste a whole bunch of time, but for some reason that one's stumping me. Okay. Then this one I missed. Oh yeah, because you don't need the explicit, obviously. This one, okay, I should have known this one. That has to be a class. This one, oh yeah. Again, string manipulation. It doesn't make a copy until you actually modify it. That would make sense. Okay, that one I got right. That one, oh, this one I missed. Oh yeah, I ran out of time. But this one I should have known. This is one of those ones where, like, because you're so used to just hitting dot, that you kind of forget this. I always screw this up when I'm actually typing code and I put the parentheses. So, and I also get it mixed up between an array and a list. So, okay, and then the rest of them I all got right. So I'm just going to skip through this. But this is cool because you can see, you can give feedback on the question. Okay, so I think that puts me at the end of this. Okay, so I can exit. Then do I get to, oh yeah, so I could go to my C# path. and I could learn enough C#. Oh, this is interesting. It's got the courses. Essentially, I've already automatically passed them because of my IQ. And then I could go down the advanced path and watch these courses. That's cool. Beginner. Scott Allen. Intermediate. Jeremy Clark. All right. And Dan. All right. All my friends are here. I could take courses from all my friends. Okay. I like this. This is cool. It is pretty damn cool. It's got all the authors in here. Doesn't have me. Yeah, I like it. Pretty cool. All right. So anyway, that's it. This has gone on too long. Go to simpleprogram.com/skill-IQ. You want to compete with me in C#. Go ahead and post your results below. If you want to take one of these and let me know what your assessment is, that's pretty cool. You can sign up for Pluralsight. Anyway, I think what I'll do is maybe we'll see. One of you, maybe I'll give a prize or something to one of you. Yeah, one of you who does this. Okay, if you sign up for Pluralsight, like sign up through the trial or whatever, and do this skill IQ assessment, and you sign up for Pluralsight trial, and you put your Pluralsight IQ result in the comments below, I'm going to pick someone, and I'm going to send you a signed copy of the Complete Software Developer's Career Guide, which I have back there. So I'll pick someone from here. So, all right, good luck. Let's see what you guys can do. All right. I'll talk to you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the subscribe button. See you.